Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I'll be using the Nubian 2 by JUVIA'S Place, and we are starting like right now. My eyes are based with my white NYX pencil. So I'm going to start with the skin color first. I'm going to put it everywhere. I'm using my monitor as a mirror. Okay, skin color. I am playing with colors as usual, and we will see what comes out in the end. No rhyme or reason, just playing. We're having fun. Let's have fun with makeup. Take your palette out and let us have fun. Skin color, first base. This is my transition color, so I put that down. This orange right here is called Morocco, and it's my second color. This is what the orange is looking like. Okay, I am going into Yeah. I think that's what it's called. This one right there, it's a shimmer. The first two colors were matte. This is a shimmer, and I'm going to put it in the outer corner. Trying to use a brush, but brushes don't work well for me. I'm taking Nairobi, and I'm going to put in the inner corner. That's what we are looking like so far. And I'm just blending it to get over the other one so it can look seamless. I try to do most of my blending away from the camera so the video is not too long, because sometimes you have to blend a lot to get it to where it looks presentable. So I do most of my blending away from recording so you don't have to watch this long video. I am still working on trying to fix sound in here and noise, but this is what I have right now to work with, and I am trying to make it the best way possible. So noise is going to happen. I am trying to fix that to the best of my ability. So I'm working with it. I'm still working, trying to make it better. This is what we're looking like. I'm going to deepen the corners. So I'm using Kenya right here to deepen the corner. Corners are deepened. I am back with a finished look, and this is what it looks like. I used the Nubian 2 from JUVIA'S place. Also, I tried my April box, came with this body wash which smells really nice. I tried it. It foams well, the scent is not loud, and the scent doesn't last on you, but it smells really nice while showering. So I wanted to let you know that. Also, for this body gleaming, that also came in my box, and I did say the next time I wear something sleeveless I was going to try it. So I'm going to try it now so we can see. I want to put it, so this is what it looks like in my hand. It has a pump, and I'm going to pass it in my hand like this. This is what my hand look like, and I'm going to put it all over. I'm using my monitor so I can see what it looks like. You can see the difference because right here is lighter than here. So I'll do over here. Everything in the monitor is backwards, so bear with me. This is pretty. Okay, let's do this. It does not feel greasy at all. It feels really nice, like just like a lotion. It feels like a lotion. I'll do my hands. The back of my hands. My hands, it's not greasy. And I have it on. So can you see? So I wanted to try it. So that's that. I'm also unboxing a package that I ordered, the bronzer from Colored Raine with the brush, and also a highlighter that they had on sale. So it's packaged wrapped in this, and this is the bronzer, this is the highlighter, and this is the brush. So I'm unboxing this while we're here, make it one video. So it has a little plastic container, and then there's a little protector to hold the brush. And this is the brush. Really nice and soft. Nice. So brush from Colored Raine. Blush brush, bronzer brush. The other one was the Focal Point glow lighters. This is the outside packaging, and inside it has a mirror, and this is the highlighter. This is like a pinkish lilac. I'll swatch. Ooh. I'm gonna put it right on top of this. So this is the highlighter. So that's the highlighter. And the bronzer I got is the Naughty Spice. Naughty Spice. Squinting, no glasses. And again, the packaging, I guess that's Colored Raine packaging. That's my first item from Colored Raine. First thing I've purchased. And this is what Naughty Spice look like. I will swatch it for you next to the highlighter. So this is the bronzer, Naughty Spice. I'll be using that in another video. So these are all the stuff that came in today. Anyways, this is it. This is today's eye makeup look. I use the JUVIA'S Nubian 2, like I said. And to all my natural neutral ladies, you can wear this. This is like a really soft glam neutral look. You can use this. This is pretty enough to use as a neutral look. And again, thank you all for watching and stopping by. Anyways, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And I, me, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.